this lecture, we will learn how to install this software. Open this software folder. In here, we have setup.exe file. Double-click on it to run this. Now click Install. This is very easy to install SuperMap iDesktop 10i software. In this window, we need to click Next. In this license agreement section, we need to check I accept the agreement. Then click Next. And now in here, we need to browse the directory in where we want to install our SuperMap iDesktop 10i software. For better performance, you need to install your SuperMap inside C drive, then Program Files. Inside Program Files, choose Common Files. Inside Common Files, create a folder with name SuperMap. Inside this SuperMap folder, you need to install this software. But before that, we need to do something inside our directory. Let's go to C drive. Inside here, let's go to Program Files, then Common Files. In here, create a folder named SuperMap. Create this folder with same name, and S will be capital letter and M also will be capital letter. So create this folder. Now let's move to the installation process. In here, browse this folder which name is SuperMap. Click Browse. Inside C drive, Program Files, then Common Files. Inside here we have our SuperMap folder. Click this one to choose this. Now click OK. So our target folder is now C drive, Program Files, Common Files, then SuperMap. Now click Next. In this setup type section, we need to check Complete. Then click again Next. Now click just Install. It will take few minutes to complete this installation process. So don't worry about it. Just wait to finish this installation. Now click OK. Congratulations, our installation process has been completed successfully. Now click this Complete button. Now let's open this software SuperMap iDesktop 10i, which has been visualized in our desktop and also in our all program list. We can open this by directly from here, or we can go to all program, then find SuperMap. In here, click SuperMap. Inside this SuperMap folder, click SuperMap iDesktop 10i. After installation, at the first time, it will take few minutes to open the interface. But from the second time, it will be opened very quickly. So first time, be patient to open this interface. Here is the smart interface of SuperMap iDesktop 10i, which is a ribbon-based interface and provides us many advanced GIS tools and options to do our GIS task very easily. And we can use this software 100% free for 90 days, which means now we have 90 days free license of this software. And we can check our remaining days for this free license from SuperMap License Center. From where? Go to All Program, then SuperMap, then click SuperMap License Center. In this window, we can check our remaining days for this free license. This software has been installed 2 months ago. That is why it is showing now 27 days. But when you install in your computer, you can see this as 90 days. As I already have passed 63 days, that is why it is showing 27 days in my computer. And after 90 days, if you enjoy SuperMap for your GIS work, obviously you will. If you want to update your this license after 90 days, you can do this very easily. You can update your license. You can buy SuperMap license for 1 year by simply contact with SuperMap, or you can contact also us, Shahriar GIS School, because we are also the partner of SuperMap. So, after 90 days, if you want to update your license, you can easily do this. Till then, enjoy SuperMap and play with GIS in the field of SuperMap.